Now we bring to you Dr. Sandeep VK, who is a consultant for brain and spine surgery, who will be speaking about neurotrauma.
Hello everyone. On this eve of World Trauma Day, I will be speaking something about head injury. Head injury accounts for 1 in 6 injury-related hospital admissions in India every year. Among them, road traffic accidents being the commonest one. Over 1 million people are affected by head injuries each year in India, and among them 1 lakh people lose their lives. Most of the deaths occur due to secondary brain injury, which is a preventable one if appropriate care is given at the earliest. So what to do if you see a road traffic accident with a person having a severe head injury? First and foremost is to call the emergency services. While emergency services are on the way, what you can do is check for the patient's breathing, whether he is breathing or not. Check for his airway. If there is any blockage, clear it out. Check for his circulation or check his heartbeat or pulse. Then if the patient is conscious, ask him to lay still. If the patient is unconscious, try to stabilize his head and neck using both hands, as head injuries are also associated with spine injuries. If there is any bleeding from any part of the scalp, try to stop it. The superficial injuries can be stopped using a clean bandage and putting pressure over it. If the injury appears deeper, or if there is a suspected skull fracture, then apply a clean bandage and never put pressure on it, as putting pressure on fractured skull can cause injuries to the brain. Do not attempt to remove any foreign bodies inside the wound, as it may cause increased bleeding. In case of any head injury, patient may vomit, and that can cause him to choke over his own vomiters. So to prevent that, patient may be turned towards one side with keeping his head, neck and body in single line. In case of minor head injuries such as any bump in the head or any minor scratches, you may be told to be admitted in the hospital for observation around 24 hours, as some serious trauma can present with symptoms at a later stage. In such cases of minor head injury, if patient wants to sleep, he may be allowed to sleep, but he must be woken every 2 or 3 hours to check his alertness. And he should not be allowed to take alcohol or any drugs within 48 hours of serious head injury. And he should also be in observation to look for any warning signs like convulsions, vomiting more than once, or confusion, any severe head injury or neck stiffness, or any irrelevant talking and all. If any of the such symptoms are seen, then he will be advised to undergo a CT scan head. So once the patient reaches to hospital, he will be advised to undergo a CT scan head, which will show the internal injuries which are caused. The treatment depends on the whatever injury which has occurred to the internal brain. If it is a minor head injury, then he may be advised for admission for 24 hours, and if there are any minor scratches or cut, he may be told to get it cleaned, and any foreign bodies will be removed and stitches can be put for the cut. If the head injury is very severe with CT scan showing any hematoma in the brain or any injuries which increase the intracranial pressure, then he may be advised to undergo surgery. As is the case with all medical injuries, the thing is prevention is always better than cure. So to prevent head injuries, what I advise is always wear seat belt while driving the car, always wear helmets while you are driving a two-wheeler, and never drive under the influence of alcohol and drugs. For further queries regarding head injuries and its treatment, you can contact us at United Hospitals, Jayanagar, Bangalore. Thank you.